Welcome everybody to Hannett's Corner. I'm Hannett, and this is a new rendition of What's in the Box. Today we're going to open this one. Let's take a look. Alright, so this one got shipped a little differently, so I kind of already know what's in the box, but for you guys, you don't exactly. Yeah, I can take off my own wrapping. So this is a Behringer Zenith 1204 USB premium 12 input 2x2 bus mixer. Let's take it out of the package and see what it looks like. There's a plate. There's another plate with instructions so far. So doesn't want to come out. Anything else in there? Nope. So we'll throw that down here. Throw the styrofoam away. I'll get it later. So this is a, don't break anything on it, package it, that's the gel. So this is a soundboard. Got the instructions, as you can see. It's like a bunch of chords, but it's got 4 XLR inputs and a bunch of 1/4-inch inputs plus the RCAs and a headphone setup, all run by different channels. And this one's the monkey. It is USB supported, so it's got a USB hub on the back. Can't get the power cord out because it wants to be fussy, but it's a standard power cord for, you get them for monitors and different electronic type stuff. These I'm not too sure. I think they're just brackets so you can stand it up or put it into cases. Let's get them out a little bit more. Yeah, it looks like they're just brackets for putting in different things. They probably hook onto the sides here, I think it looks like, so you can stand it up and have it off the bottom of it. But for the back side, we've got a bunch. We got 2 XLR outputs and 4 1/4-inch outputs with a USB output for hooking up to a computer or interface. You have the regular power and the phantom power, which is used for condenser microphones that need an XLR, needs the phantom power to run. And this is also the power bottoms, standard bottom, but it's a nice little thing. So that's it. So this is the Behringer Zenith 1204 USB mixer interface. It retails on Amazon for $169.99. It's available right now. There's pretty decent shipping. Prime works for it too. And pretty much that's it. If you enjoy this content, like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you don't like it, you can always hit the thumbs down. But if you want to see more content from us, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to know when we upload videos, hit the bell icon. And this is episode 4 of What's in the Box. I hope you have a great day. Be good to yourself and each other. Bye bye.